Hey Skyview Academy Middle School, hope you're doing well. Wanted to share yet another resource for making reading and watching TV and movies more interesting. Conflict is a key component in any literary artistic piece or film or TV show that allows there to be a plot. When there's conflict, people are interested because conflict means drama. Drama means excitement. So this Prezi is going to teach you the two categories of conflict or remind you about it, and then provide you examples of the subcategories in conflict in a fun and entertaining way that will help you remember. Without further ado, let's go on the journey of conflict. The two key categories of conflict are internal and external. We're going to journey through both and find subpoints for each so that you understand where conflict falls and why we enjoy it. As you watch the video clip, think about what it is showing about conflict. Then create a definition for internal conflict that addresses the characteristics seen in this clip. Take a minute to read that for yourself, and then we'll watch the clip. All right, let's get ready to write that definition.
I can't believe I did this! I can't believe I did this. I can't believe I did this! Mother would be so furious. That's okay, I mean, what she doesn't know won't kill her, right? Oh my gosh, this would kill her. This is so fun! I am a horrible daughter. I'm going back. I am never going back! I am a despicable human being. Best day ever!
You know, I can't help but notice you seem a little at war with yourself here.
What?
Now, I'm only picking up bits and pieces, of course. Overprotective mother, forbidden road trip. I mean, this is serious stuff. But let me ease your conscience. This is part of growing up. A little rebellion, a little adventure, that's good. Healthy, even.
You think?
I know. You're way overthinking this, trust me. Does your mother deserve it? No. Would this break her heart and crush your soul? Of course. But you just got to do it.
Break her heart?
In half.
Crush her soul?
Like a grape.
She would be heartbroken, you're right.
I am, aren't I? Oh, bother. All right. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm letting you out of the deal.
What?
That's right. But don't thank me. Let's just turn around and get you home. Japan, ear frog. I get back my satchel. You get back a mother-daughter relationship based on mutual trust, and voila! We part ways as unlikely friends.
No! I am seeing those lanterns.
Oh, come on! What is it going to take for me to get my satchel back?
I will use this. The ruffians! Folks, have they come for me?
Stay calm. It can probably smell fear.
Oh, sorry. Guess I'm just a little bit jumpy.
Probably be best if we avoid ruffians and thugs, though.
Yeah, that'd probably be best.
Are you hungry? I know a great place for lunch.
Where?
Oh, don't you worry. You'll know it when you smell it.
All right, so at the beginning of this clip, Rapunzel struggled to decide if it was the best day ever or she was the worst daughter in the world. Create your definition of internal conflict based on the beginning of this clip. You can pause the video to take time to write it down. Internal conflict is conflict that exists within the protagonist. Remember, the protagonist is the character that sees the most growth and the most change in a story. It is the struggle between the protagonist and his or her conscience. So, as you reflect on Rapunzel and her struggle, what was her conscience telling her to do? Why was she at battle? Why did conflict make that scene funny? Those are things to think about as you explore not only conflict, but plot and storyline. Now let's look at external conflict. As you watch this clip, think about what it is showing about conflict, then create a definition of external conflict that addresses the characteristics seen in this clip. Take a minute to review this, and then we'll watch the clip.
Okay, come on. You want a piece? Okay, come on. You want a piece of me?
All right, so this conflict between Woody and Buzz is external. Take a minute to write the definition of external conflict based on what you saw. Go ahead and pause the video and resume it when your definition is created. External conflict is the conflict that exists between the protagonist and some other force in the story. So as you reflect on internal and external conflict and the benefit that it adds to the story, think about stories you've read and the kind of conflict that existed within them. This is a good way to not only analyze the literary piece, but to understand why you enjoy the storyline. We will resume this in another video when we address the different kinds of conflict and what category they fall into. Hope you have a great day, and remember, you matter.